Hello everyone. Today we'll talk about the cloud backup and disaster recovery product which A4 has been working on for one of its esteemed clients. This product facilitates the enterprises to back up their entire cloud and perform a point-in-time restores in case of any disaster or failover. It can be integrated with the OpenStack Cloud or Red Hat Virtualization and has the capability to back up and restore the entire workloads as per the user demand. Respective tenants can restore individual items, virtual machines, complete workloads, or the entire cloud environment via the OpenStack Horizon UI or the user interface of Red Hat Virtualization. One of the prominent features of this solution is the migration of complete workloads from one cloud to another, which is quite a critical feature for many enterprise level organizations. So the current engagement with A4 started around 4 years back with just 2 QA members, which has now grown to nearly 20, spanning across different technical functions like pre-sales, release management, product development, testing, DevOps, infrastructure management, and post-sales support. Over the years of association with A4, there has been significant increase in the number of customers of our client, which has grown from 5 in the initial stage to nearly 40 at present. These customers span across the globe and they come from various different domains. So currently at A4, we have 20 members team comprising of DevOps and infrastructure experts, Python developers, QA, and customer solution engineers. These also include a manager and a technical architect who look after the overall release activities. The core technical team includes 5 development engineers, 2 DevOps and infrastructure experts, 3 pre-sales and customer solution engineers, and 8 QA members who are involved in making the product work with OpenStack and Red Hat Virtualization. On the delivery front, release planning, estimations, development, and testing activities done by our team members helps to ensure the on-time product delivery, which further enables the client to fulfill the commitments they have with their respective end customer. We typically have 2 types of releases. One which are targeted for the new features which are delivered on quarterly basis, and second are the maintenance releases which are done on demand basis, comprising the bug fixes and enhancements. Additionally, we follow a flexible delivery model which helps in efficiently accommodating the ad hoc scope and requirement changes. This in turn helps to reduce the overall turnaround time for overall product delivery. For effective communication and collaboration with the customer, tools such as Slack, Zoom, and Hangout are used extensively by our team members. The development of the mentioned product involves various technologies. So the backend is developed using Python, and for the front end, we use HTML, JavaScript, and CSS. Further, end-to-end QA is also provided, which involves manual and automation against the functional, upgrade, deployment, and performance testing. The automation mentioned here is also done using Python and involves an OpenStack framework as well, popularly known as Tempest. On the DevOps front, with OpenStack, support is provided for multiple distributions or the deployment methods against all the available OpenStack releases. Couple of those tools are Kola Ansible, OpenStack Ansible, Red Hat Director, which is commonly known as RHOSP, which is primarily for the Red Hat based OpenStack, and the Juju Charms, which is for canonical OpenStack. Beyond this, containerized OpenStack deployments using Dockers and LXC containers are also supported. So as we see that in the current engagement, all the product engineering services are being exclusively provided, and this makes it a classical example of 360-degree product offerings by A4 to its clients.